Small but tough. That's the ACURO X-Proof AX65. As the most compact in its class, the absolute encoder meets all requirements. For use under the toughest conditions. Explosion protection for gas, dust and mining. The ACURO X-Proof AX65 will fit where others won't. In the oil and gas industry, in the mining industry, the chemical industry, and on enameling production lines. The encoder comes in high-grade stainless steel housing and resists 300 Newton axial and radial load. The extremely robust design has also a positive impact on shock and vibration resistance. Different terminal boxes provide maximum flexibility and create best conditions for a simple and flexible installation.